Hello and welcome to DeLozier Investments Q3 earnings. Today we're talking about what all's been going on with our company in this past quarter, as well as what to look forward to in 2026. We've got several stocks that we are happy to invest in this quarter. So first, we're going to talk a brief overview. Our mission is to deliver long-term wealth through disciplined investing and helping others make the right investment decisions. We focus on growth stocks and as well as some dividend stocks that have moats. Let's take a quick look at some headlines. Our website traffic's up 52% this month. Overall, we've seen double-digit increases across the board. Instagram stays roughly the same. Don't see a whole lot of growth with Instagram. Then we also have Twitter, which is steadily growing. It's growing at about 10% a month. So we're continuing to get more followers. And LinkedIn also is growing at over 10% a month. Just going right through other key topics that we're discussing today. We're looking at a few highlights. We've got our revenue and performance summary. We have pretty much been focused on investing in NVIDIA, Tesla, also Reddit, as well as Lloyd's Banking, and Eli Lilly is probably a future company we're going to invest in. And we also are looking to add to our position in Spotify. Palantir and MicroStrategy Incorporated, we'll also cover that. Basically, we're looking for high growth stocks that are continuing to show a lot of potential in 2026. We believe that there's going to be a soft landing. So we are very bullish at the moment on tech companies, and especially with the recent pullback. I think this is an excellent opportunity to invest in Tesla as well as NVIDIA, and also a few bank stocks. Goldman Sachs is an excellent investment. So we're going to continue to invest in these companies probably over the course of at least the next 12 months. We may take profits next October. We'll just have to wait and see. But overall, a quick rundown of some stocks that we bought today. We bought Lloyd's Banking, Meta, Altria Group, MicroStrategy Incorporated, NVIDIA, Palantir Technology, Reddit, Spotify, Tesla, and our unsettled funds are in SPACs. That's ticker symbol SPAXX, because our business partner is Fidelity Investments, and they've been a great business partner, and hoping to continue to do business with them because they've been a great business partner to have. Considering doing business with Webull in the future, so have to wait and see how that goes. Overall, we've seen these stocks continue to climb, and we've had an amazing year. if these stocks do the same as as they have this past year, we'll be very fortunate. And basically, we're going to continue to follow the trend and buy the dips. Spotify has been a company that we believe in investing in very heavily. It's been seeing 100% gains year over year. And Reddit is finally now profitable. So we believe Reddit is going to have another monster year in 2026. These companies are probably, are both moats that are long-term investments, and will both be trillion-dollar companies, and we are going to continue to invest. Also, we're going to continue to find the right business partners. Probably right now discussing doing business with a couple banks. Right now we use Lily. It's a decent a bank, but we're also considering Chase Bank as well as Bank of America. Pretty much we prefer bigger banks just because of just the fact that they're a little bit easier accessible. Overall, we are also investing in billboards and possibly real estate. But our subscribers continue to grow on YouTube, and we've seen we've been growing at 10% a month the past couple months on YouTube. So hopefully we can keep that going. But there's tons of upside, and we're probably going to invest mainly with Chase Bank, and see if we can't find a few business partners. Also considering doing business with maybe a jewelry store. We don't really have one picked out, but we're going to talk to a few jewelry stores. Possibly going to consider investing in maybe diamonds or Burmese rubies. Not really finalized anything yet, but we're considering several different investments at the moment. Also, Bitcoin, now that it's below 100,000, excellent time to buy Bitcoin. Our company already owns MicroStrategy Incorporated, so we're going to continue dollar cost average it and buy Coinbase as well sometime in 2026. Now that we've seen a nice pullback, now is a great time to invest in those companies. Our company's really focused on being tax efficient and basically making sure every dollar that we do have goes that much farther. Right now, we provide a top gainers watch list in the morning, in the pre-market hours, for all our followers. So we can all, it's just something nice that we can offer to anyone who happens to follow our account, just say thank you. And our educational videos as well through YouTube. We're working on more affiliate links to get more business partners. Webull and Robinhood are both two companies that we have affiliate links for on our website. We're going to be selling books as well as online courses. In the month of December, we're going to be going over Bitcoin, and really the only two that we're currently recommending and investing in are Bitcoin and Ethereum. we're basically, focusing on long-term strategies. Moats is the key, and if someone wants to go into crypto, we advise investing in MicroStrategy Incorporated or Coinbase, just to avoid incurring the trading fees. And we've also been talking about real estate over the past month, and just going through basics about HSAs, other type of refinancing options. So probably going to finish the month of November talking about real estate, and we'll continue to make videos periodically. But over the next few months, we're going to transition in January into focusing on different revenue streams. Also going to go over gold and silver, and basically ways to hedge your investments. We have something out there for everyone. But right now we're pretty much just buying stocks every week, and our company is mainly based on stocks, buying tech companies like NVIDIA, and we'll have our forecast probably for January for what our company is going to invest in over the next 12 months. So other people who follow our account can decide for themselves if they want to invest with us. Also, all our trade signals are on Twitter at Josh DeLozier Investments, so you can get the price we buy in at, as well as the price we sell at. Everything is completely transparent. So anything that happens financially with our company is reported, and it's publicly known, so everything is completely above board. And we're probably going to become a little bit more active in trading, trading these or basically adding to our positions and trimming, maybe take profits if one of these companies have a great earnings report. Then we have taxes. We're probably going to discuss taxes and discuss being tax efficient. And we're probably going to tend to cover the current tax laws and answer any questions that anyone might have, and continuing to steadily produce on all our social media sites. We're trying to hopefully grow our company by 10x over the next 12 months, and that's a pretty high expectation, but it's managed. If we stay consistent and on the right trajectory, it's very possible. I believe that's a conservative estimate, considering we are a brand new investment company that just started this year. We'll be 1 year. We'll be established for 1 year this January, so we are very excited about the future, and we're looking forward to basically pour the coals on these investments and continue to buy moats. And we're going to branch out from stocks into real estate, start with REITs, and continue. Also, our company is cautiously optimistic about finding a another location as well in 2026. But we are looking forward to a lot of expansion. That's probably going to be the best way to describe 2026. It's going to probably be a very busy year, and it's not going to just be 1 or 2 busy months. It'll be every month, consistently growing. Just staying consistent and continuing to invest, make the best investments possible. And we're already tax efficient, so we're going to focus on creating more revenue streams. And we're just trying to find stuff that align with our values and find the right business partners. It appears that we're probably going to find some more products as well to add to our website. We've got our courses and books that we just went over. We'll probably offer a weekly watch list and a subscription fee for anyone wanting more attention. We can provide that as well. But I think we are going to beat our competition by a good amount. We'll let that record speak for itself. And also we are also going to be offering free consultations, a lot of free. We'll offer some free educational videos on each subject that we go over, from taxes to stocks to real estate. So it's going to be a very, very busy year, but we're excited that we're going to cover several different areas, investments, personal finance. We'll also have our budgeting videos, and our latest video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to invest your money correctly. Basically we're going to be trying to educate as many people as we can about investing, and we're going to see about finding some business partners in New York as well as Las Vegas. It's probably the next area that we're expanding to. I was lucky enough to go to New York, and the people were very friendly, and it seems like it's very promising up there, that we're going to find the right partners to work with. So I'm definitely looking forward to going back to New York, and also very excited about Las Vegas. Been planning that for a couple years now, and I've had this in the works for several years, but in the last couple years been focused on getting all the details ready so we can make the most of our opportunities and get the right people, and we can brand correct for our business. We have to see what we can invest in out there. We may also invest in VC properties. We're considering that. But it looks like overall we're going to be sticking to investing in moats and a few banks that 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 should make a pretty big difference. Overall, because they've had an amazing run. We're continuing to invest and seeing the profits as the trend continues. But other than that, we appreciate everyone watching this week's earnings call. As far as the numbers, we pretty much stayed invested, and we're just looking to continue to expand our positions. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I will personally answer them. As the owner of DeLozier Investments, I'm Josh DeLozier. I will answer them directly, and be sure to get back to you within sometime this week. So, I'll be looking forward to answering any questions you might have. And also, after this video, if you have time, check out our YouTube channel. You can get all of our information on investing in stocks, as well as real estate and personal finance. We discuss a wide variety of topics. And also, we're on Twitter and Instagram. Just type Josh DeLozier Investments, and you can look us up and see what we're actively doing that day. I think that's probably one of the best things about our company is every day we are producing on social media, so you can check out what we're doing that day. It's you don't have to wait for a quarterly report. We can every day you can see what companies we are investing in, and we also will answer any questions you might have. So be sure to email us or go to our website. But this is a very exciting time, and we've been very active. So we're expecting to be 2026 to be even busier. So be sure to follow our account, and you can grow with us. Appreciate everyone watching today's earnings, and look forward to seeing you all back here at our next earnings. Hope everyone has an amazing day, and we'll see you all back here next time.